everyone, welcome back to CodeDesign Academy. In this video, we'll take a quick dive into the newly launched AI Companion feature. In a nutshell, AI Companion brings in the accessibility of making changes and editing your website or project on CodeDesign Builder through just chats and natural language. Need to change the image? Select the element and ask to change the image into what you want. Now, let's take a quick dive into the tool and see how it works. For this demo, I'm generating a website from this template. Here I've prepared a prompt to create a website for a music production house based in Helsinki. Once that is entered and preferred language selected, I'm clicking Continue. Now make sure that these additional information like business name and location is correct, and then let's click on the Generate button. Now the website will be generated based on the template we selected. And there we go. We have the website generated. What you can do here in this playground is to choose between color styles or themes if you want. And then click here on the Edit Website button. And this is where the magic begins. Earlier, this would have taken you straight to a drag and drop builder, but now you can choose between either drag and drop or AI Companion. Let's select the AI Companion here. Now the project is being prepared to be edited with AI Companion on the canvas. This deployment process will take a moment to set things up. And voila! The AI Companion is now ready to use on the canvas. As you see here, the AI Companion can be moved freely around the canvas by clicking and dragging like this. And if you need to review the canvas, you can minimize the window by clicking here as well. It will be minimized to this button here on the bottom right of the canvas. Once you are done reviewing the page, you can come back and click on the AI Companion button like this to bring it back up. Now see how the interface works. These are general prompt options made by AI with edit suggestions. And down here is the text box to type in your prompts or instructions, which we'll try out in a moment. And then this is the toggle that lets you switch between AI Companion and manual edit. This lets you edit a text or image manually. Next to the toggle switch is the Add Attachment option. This lets you add images or other files for context when chatting. Next up, this is the Selection tool, which is active by default. This lets you select and specify what element you want to be edited. Once selected, the element's tag name will appear here, and you can select multiple elements using this. To remove element selection, you can use the close button on the element tags. If you disable the Selection tool, you'll be able to freely review and interact with the canvas like this without making any accidental selection. All right, now let's see what this button is all about. This is the AI Model Selection button that lets you select between fast and autonomous AI models. Fast is ideal for lightweight edits like text edits and phrasing, and it utilizes much less credits when compared to the autonomous mode. That works well for complex tasks. Now let's see the companion in action. I'm selecting this image from the canvas and asking AI to replace that with a different close-up image of the device, and click here to submit or send the instruction. Now AI is evaluating the code, finding the image element in code, and then finding a replacement image as I described, even with a type error. And after a few seconds, there we go. We've got it completely taken care of with the AI Companion. That's the end for this introduction video. In the follow-up videos, we'll dive through different use cases with different complexities using the AI Companion. And that's it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to let us know through comments, support chats, or the CodeDesign forum.